Welcome guys, so today I am with XIAOMI Poco F4 GT and I want to show you how you can use the Pro mode in the camera application on this phone. So to open the Pro mode you have to select Pro mode from this basic mode list, and I can recommend you to tap for this information icon where you will find the description of every feature. Okay, and right now I'm going to smoothly show you how to adjust the parameters. So for example, we can start from the white balance. As you can see, we can find here a few presets, and then we can set also the white balance manually by using this slider. To get it back to automatically, just click here. You can tap here to reset, but also you can just pick automatic icon. Okay, let's go forward. Another one is the focus. That's also the ISOs, the shutter speed. We can go, for example, for 2 seconds of the shutter. And to get it looks better, we can decrease the ISO, but it's not working, so we can go, I think that we can go maybe for, wait a minute, it's not working properly actually. Okay, with the ISO we decrease light level, but not that much. I just wonder why this exposure compensation is not available right now, but that's really strange actually, because as you can see, normally we can decrease the brightness level with exposure compensation, but when you change the shutter, this option just grayed out and we cannot enter it. But yeah, that's how we can set it up. The exposure compensation is the only parameter that you cannot adjust automatically, and that's the lens changes. When you click right here, we can check the focus peaking. Also we can go for the exposure verification. So as you can see, and it just highlight on the blue or red. On the blue it means that it's underexposure, and the red it's overexposure. So you can just change it by using ISO, for example, to get less red lines. And you can also turn on the 64 megapixel mode. You can also add filters, change contrast, saturation, sharpness. You can reset all of the parameters, and honestly that's all for this device. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.